Is it possible to become an Instagram influencer? Of course. After all, you're thinking this way because most people around us wish to become one at some point.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Away and be your original self. If you follow these steps, I assure you that your bio will stand out and shine. So, do you want to give it a try? Just for you, we have brought you an idea of how your bio can be witty and engaging if quoting something. So many of my smiles are because of you. Or, I love my followers more than life itself. Step number 3. Share stories and make highlights. What are Instagram stories highlight? It's a new display on your Instagram profile with no limit. Sharing stories will validate your authenticity, which is why creating chatty and connecting stories would compel the viewers to keep a check on your account. Reshare and add appreciation posts for your followers so they recognize your efforts and kindness, giving them an extra reason to follow you. Social media marketing experts agree that you should spend more time planning how to apply them to promote your account. Research shows 58% of users say they are more interested in a page after seeing them post a story that generates a quarter of the platform's total ad revenues. Instagram stories highlight that it offers an excellent opportunity to showcase and promote your account quickly. Creating the perfect Instagram story for Instagram highlights is the only way to optimize your profile for success. Highlights are front and center on your profile, serving as the ideal indicators. Here are some points on how you can get more views on the story. Use the latest Instagram stickers, such as festive or celebrity ones available on occasion. Mention a link to the product you used. If your account is based on a fashion styling niche, you could mention the brand of your outfit, or if your place is food related, then you can mention the ingredients and platters you bought from. Post behind the scenes of your content shoot. Avoid being too formal and professional, and post bloopers and funny BTS of your content. Introduce your friends. Avoid making your account solely about yourself. If your family members, friends and co-workers are comfortable with you posting them, then why not introduce them? Creating an engaging game, such as 3 truths and a lie quiz game. Would you rather have it? Spot something unusual in the picture and loads of more games. These games cheer up your followers and you will gain their interest. Ask for suggestions and recommendations. If you have recently shared a style, recipe, workout video, travel post, painting or reading material, then ask your followers to give suggestions or your posts improve next time. Share audience FAQs. If your followers are dropping your question and asking you about certain things, don't be rude and avoid them, but instead refer to their FAQs in your story to show them your concern. Start an Ask Me Anything, start a poll or a prompt. Instagram has a variety of options, so avail them. You should create a poll on 2 possibilities before buying a sure thing, or add a prompt to your morning or late night story ideas so they can react. Use Instagram filters. There is an immense variety of filters on Instagram. Try using them sometimes. These filters enhance the colors and make it more appealing by adding sparkles, blurs, bounces and flips. However, there is also an open variety of using goofy filters. Make custom layouts. Instagram offers a feature where you can add multiple pictures in a collage layout. These features are for us to use and show your creativity. Give tips and guidance. The audience is open to suggestions and advice. Make sure your leads are tested before recommending them. Pick out your favorite template and choose a readable font, and there you go. Speak up on worldwide or countrywide issues. Instead of being ignorant, it would be appreciable if you wrote a few words and gave your honest opinion on worldwide or countrywide issues, such as the oppression of Palestinians, the brutal murder of George Perry Floyd, the increase in inflation, or government negligence. Avoid being racist, sexist, and biased. Step 4. Make your Insta feed captivating. Before becoming an Instagram influencer, learn how to become an Instagram artist. An Instagram artist is one of the first steps in the right decision. Not only should each of your content be perceptibly attractive, but your entire feed should look engaging when viewed as a whole. All your photos in the feed should look good, individually and collectively. So, what can you do? Don't stress if you don't know how to edit photos or create the best color combination. Many Instagram influencers follow a particular way of editing so that the color and composition of their photos are uniform. You can use photo editing tools like Visco or Lightroom to edit your pictures, or use the built-in filters on Instagram. Also, make sure that your photos are taken in high resolution. For that, try using a good camera that delivers lots of light or is a double-triple lens to make them look excellent. More ideas to assist you in creating an appealing feed or to manage are: choose a grid layout. For instance, if you are willing to add similar niches in your account, like poetry and nature or travel and food, you might like to see options of different layouts, either a nature post after every 2 poetries or alternate postings. Next is choosing a theme: grunge, moody, boohoo, tropical, colorful, minimal, vintage, or wide aesthetic. You have a large variety of how you would like to influence your viewers, making it a brick of your career and watching your followers base grow. Once you manage to gain followers, try to maintain them too. There are categories of influencers based on your followers. 1,000 to 10,000 followers make you a nano influencer. 10,000 to 50,000 followers makes you a micro influencer. 50,000 to 500,000 makes you a mid-tier influencer, and 500,000 to 10,000 makes you a macro influencer. Step number 5. Write an exciting caption below your post. Don't be so essential by writing a boring caption or by leaving it empty. When you decide to become an influencer, manage post settings attentively. Before you start to finalize your caption, ask yourself these questions. Is caption informative? This means adding information relevant to your post will set a good impression. Is your caption encouraging in action? Add encouraging words or quotation so viewers get influenced by your action. Is your caption clean? Make sure your post isn't cluttered with emojis or flooded with hashtags. It should be sober, yet aesthetic. So, are you still having second thoughts about becoming an Instagram influencer? Follow these Instagram influencer guide given above and see yourself become the next most followed influencer in 2023. This video was helpful. For more engaging and valuable content, visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you still need to subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon to enable notification for the latest video our channel brings. See you the next. Till then, goodbye.